Hello and welcome to another Logic Pro quick tip. If this is your sort of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, is always appreciated. Today we're going to look at scoring your own soundtrack to a film clip. This does require the stem splitter, so you'll need the latest version of Logic running on an M chip. Firstly, you're going to need to get hold of the clip you want to score. There are lots of resources on the internet to do this. Once you've got it on your computer, we're just going to drag it into Logic. You may be prompted to accept a frame rate change, so go ahead and do that. And we do want to extract the audio track. Next, you're going to right-click on the audio and select Stem Splitter from the Processing menu. Wait for it to process all the splits, and you only want to have the vocal track so you can mute the others.
Echo Station 3TA. We have spotted Imperial Walker. Imperial Walker.
And that's it. Start adding your own tracks and come up with your own brilliant soundtrack. Remember, a like and a subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.